The Shop with the Sheriff event, we are in our 23rd year, and this is an event where we take children who reside in homeless shelters out shopping at Target for clothing and items that they need to begin the school year off.
Shelter House and Fairfax Sheriff's Office has been partnering for over 20 years with Shop with the Sheriff. It's been a great community partnership, helping the children get through school. And in order to break the cycle of homelessness, break the cycle of poverty, we need to have our children educated. And not only educated, but the children need to feel good about themselves. And that's what Shop with the Sheriff really does, is it gives the kids the dignity that they need on the first day of school to walk in there with pride, seeing their friends with new things and them having new things. It's just a great partnership that we've been able to have with the Sheriff's Department.
This is a great event, and it's very important to the community because it allows the Sheriff's Office to get out, to work with children, to establish bond, become role models, and most importantly, we pay it forward and we're able to make a very positive difference.
It was a good day.